The sister isle of Carriacou is faced with a second cluster of the COVID-19 virus as officials report 9 positive cases with 1 hospitalized. Health Minister Nicholas Steele first confirmed the cluster on Sunday. Reports are that the cluster originated from workers of one of the ferry services that travel to and from Grenada and its dependencies. The company just a few days ago announced the recommencement of their services between the island, but due to the recent happenings had to put their service on pause. Minister for Carriacou and Petite Martinique Affairs, Kendra Matthew Stewart, gave an update on the situation.
Health officials on island discovered a cluster of positive COVID-19 cases, amounting to 9 as of today's date. Primarily, though, among the captain and some crew members of the MV Dolly. At the moment, the health officials and contact tracers are on the ground, and they are actively and aggressively conducting the contact tracing to ensure that we arrest the situation before it further escalates into a case of community spread.
The minister made an appeal to passengers who traveled on the vessel between the 12th of November to the 19th to please get tested for COVID-19.
And so the health team and contact tracers are asking and is making a special plea to all persons who would have traveled on the MV Dolly from the 12th of November to the 19th of November, and also persons who would have been in close and direct contact with any crew member of the Dolly, to report tomorrow from 9 a.m. at the Hillsborough Clinic for the purposes of testing and or the dissemination of information relative to this cluster.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Dr. Keith Mitchell, in a press conference on Sunday, announced that Grenada will soon have an additional choice in COVID-19 vaccines, as the government will soon get a shipment of Moderna.
We also expect supply of vaccine from Argentina very soon, AstraZeneca that is, and of course we expect from the United States government's initiative to have a supply of Pfizer and Moderna vaccine.
The Ministry of Health dashboard shows that there are more than 33,000 fully vaccinated people in the state of Grenada and more than 6,000 partially vaccinated. The Prime Minister warned that although Grenada has somehow held the virus at bay for now, people should not get complacent.
While we have appeared to have the control of this period of infection, that we should not drop our guard, and there's some evidence of this, that we're beginning to feel a sense of being too comfortable.
Grenada now has 54 active COVID-19 cases with a positivity rate of 0.4%. For GBN News, I am Rena Pear Thomas reporting.